back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this super cute action in Heartopia. So you do have to redeem my code. Go to settings, go to redeem code here, and the code is shake your body, and then press redeem. Then you're just going to check your mailbox, so let's do that. Claim, and you'll get the shake your body action, and it looks like this. Okay, work it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!